Hello everyone, welcome again to Carpenter Examples. We're going to continue our ongoing SolidWorks exercise, and here we have an angle slider. You can pause the video at this point and analyze the geometry, and then we'll get this part done. Now that we are fully loaded and ready, let's navigate to our feature window and select Extrude Boss, select our top plane. Let's draw a center rectangle from the center of origin, 175 millimeters by 250 millimeters. Let's exit our sketch and let's extrude at 120 millimeters upwards. Okay, now let's navigate to Extrude Cut. Let's click our top plane and let's draw a triangle, our triangular sketch, just like that. Let's navigate to Smart Dimension and let's dimension that 30 degrees. Okay, and from this point to the left hand side, that will be 75 millimeters. And let's exit our sketch. I'll navigate to our isometric view. I'll change this from blind to up to next and click OK. Then I'll repeat Extrude Cut. I'll rotate to the back view. I'll select the back face and I'll repeat this step to take out this portion. So let's create another triangle, and the angle is the same as the previous, 30 degrees, and from this point to the right hand side, that is 90 millimeters. Okay, and let's exit, and I'll go to an isometric view and I'll change it again to up to next. Okay, and now let us create another Extrude Cut. Let's rotate. Let's click our left face and I'll draw a rectangular sketch using the corner rectangle, and let's dimension that. So let's go to Smart Dimension. The width is 75 millimeters. The height is 25 millimeters. And from this point or that line to our left hand side, that is 50 millimeters. Now let's exit back to an isometric view, and I'll change this from blind to up to next. Okay, let's continue with our Extrude Cut. Let's click on that face. Let's first draw a circle here. Let us define that circle. So this is 20 millimeters in diameter from the center to the bottom. That is 25 millimeters, and from the center to the left hand side, that is 50 millimeters. Now let's draw a corner rectangle. Let's define that. The width is 20 millimeters. The height is 30 millimeters. And from the bottom to our rectangle, that's 35 millimeters. Now let's exit that. I'll navigate again to an isometric view, and once again I'm going to choose up to next. Okay, now our final extruded cut will be on this face. So let's draw a circle. Let's define that circle. It is 20 millimeters in diameter, just like the last one. From center to the left hand side is 40 millimeters, and from center to this edge, that is 25 millimeters. Okay, exit to an isometric view. I'll rotate, and I'm not going to leave it to blind. I'm going to use up to surface, and I want it to go to this surface. In that case, if we ever update our geometry, everything will update nicely. Okay, and we can also analyze our drawing, well, our part, just like a drawing in our graphic view. All we have to do is change to hidden visible lines right here, and then we can use a space bar. We can click our top, and you can analyze this just as a drawing to have an idea how it would look, and you can repeat the process. Let's go to our right view, just like this, and let's go to our front view, just like that, and then we can always click spacebar again, and then you can come here and go back to an isometric view, and you can go back to your shaded edges. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you. Bye for now.